There is a question might pop up in your mind: how can you hear the sound in space? As you know, sound waves cannot travel through space because it's a vacuum, and sound needs a medium like air or water to travel. However, there are different types of waves like electromagnetic waves which can easily travel in vacuum, and astronomers convert the data from these waves into sound waves that human ears can perceive. In this video, I'll show the different sounds of pulsars at different rotational speeds. Before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe now and join me on this cosmic journey.